Have you ever wondered how some people remain unshakably calm in the face of intense pressure? What if you could unlock that same ability? Welcome to our deep dive into the art of maintaining your cool when it matters most. Staying calm under pressure isn't just about appearing collected. It's about harnessing clarity, making better decisions, and protecting your health from the ravages of stress. Today, we are going to explore practical strategies that can transform how you handle stressful situations. From the boardroom to your living room, mastering calm can enhance your effectiveness, improve your interactions, and even boost your overall well-being. Ready to change how you face challenges? Let's discover how to turn the tide of tension into tranquility. Recognizing your personal stress signals is the first critical step toward managing stress effectively. Stress can manifest in various ways, physically, emotionally, and cognitively. By identifying these early signs, you can take proactive steps to calm down before the stress escalates. Physical stress might show up as headaches, muscle tensions, rapid breathing, or even stomach discomfort. For instance, you might notice your heart races or your palms sweat before a major meeting or event. Emotionally, stress can lead to feelings of irritability, anxiety, depression, or mood swings. Maybe you find yourself snapping at people over minor issues or feeling unusually down without a clear reason. Cognitively, stress often leads to difficulties in concentrating, remembering, or making decisions. It might feel like your thoughts are foggy or you can't keep your mind on the task at hand. Understanding these signals in your own behavior is crucial. For example, if you notice you are starting to snap at your family, it could be a sign that you are more stressed than you realized. Recognizing these signs early on allows you to address them directly through relaxation techniques, adjusting your workload, or perhaps even stepping outside for a few minutes of fresh air. By staying attuned to these signals, you empower yourself to manage stress proactively, maintaining your composure and health. This awareness not only helps prevent stress from taking over, but also enhances your overall resilience in challenging situations. Breathing exercises are a cornerstone of stress management. They are simple, can be done anywhere, and the benefits are immediate. Today, we will focus on two effective techniques: diaphragmatic breathing and the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Number 1, diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing, involves fully engaging the large muscles at the base of your lungs. It's about breathing deeply and consciously, which can help reduce the heart rate and promote relaxation. Here is how to do it. Sit comfortably or lie flat on your back. Place one hand on your belly just below your ribs and the other on your chest. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let your belly push your hand out. Your chest should not move. Exhale through your pursed lips as if you were whistling. Feel the hand on your belly go in and use it to push all the air out. Do this breathing 3 to 10 times. Take your time with each breath. Next, the 4-7-8 technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, is a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. It's remarkably simple. Breathe in quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold the breath for a count of 7 seconds. Exhale forcefully through the mouth, pursing the lips and making a whoosh sound for 8 seconds. And repeat the cycle up to 4 minutes. These techniques, when practiced regularly, can significantly alter your body's stress response and help you stay calm in stressful situations. They slow down your breathing and encourage full oxygen exchange, which is the opposite of the short, shallow breaths associated with stress. Make a habit of practicing these exercises daily, or whenever you feel stressed. Over time, you will find that these breathing techniques can help you remain calm and collected even in the most challenging circumstances. Mindfulness is a powerful practice for gaining control over your thoughts and emotions, especially in high-stress situations. It teaches you to stay present and engaged, reducing the emotional intensity that can often overwhelm us. Let's explore some basic mindfulness exercises that you can incorporate into your daily routine to enhance focus and calm. Begin with mindful breathing. This involves focusing solely on your breath, the inhale and exhale, without trying to change it. This simple act can center your mind and bring you back to the present moment. Next, the sensory observation. Choose one sense to focus on, such as sight. Look around and notice 5 things you can see. Pick out details you usually wouldn't notice. This practice helps divert your attention away from stressors and anchors you in the present. Practice mindful listening. This can be done anywhere, at work, at home, or even in a busy cafe. Close your eyes and tune into various sounds. Identify as many different sounds as you can, from the obvious ones to those that are subtle. This helps clear your mind of distractions. Mindfulness is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger your ability to pull yourself back from the brink of stress. Integrating these exercises into your daily life can significantly improve your ability to focus and remain calm even under pressure. Remember, the goal isn't to empty your mind, but rather to become aware of your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. With regular practice, mindfulness can transform how you handle stress, leading to improved mental clarity and emotional resilience. Preparation isn't just about having the right materials or skills for a situation. It's also about mentally and emotionally setting yourself up for success. By preparing for potential stressful scenarios, you can significantly reduce anxiety and increase your confidence. Think of preparation as your strategic advantage. It involves visualizing the upcoming situation, anticipating potential challenges, and planning your responses. This proactive approach can transform anxiety into action, providing a sense of control and readiness. Let's dive into a simple yet powerful visualization technique that can help you mentally and emotionally prepare for any stressful situation. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes to minimize distractions. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and clear your mind. This helps set the stage for effective visualization. Imagine the upcoming scenario in as much detail as possible. See yourself in the setting, interacting with others, and performing tasks. Make the scene as vivid and realistic as you can. Picture yourself handling the situation with confidence and skill. Visualize overcoming obstacles smoothly and achieving your goals. Focus on the positive feelings associated with success, such as confidence, relief, happiness. Conclude your visualization with a few positive affirmations. Repeat to yourself, "I'm prepared. I am calm. I can handle this successfully." Visualization is not just daydreaming, it's a rehearsal for success. By mentally and emotionally preparing through visualization, you reinforce your ability to handle stress and emerge victorious. Regular practice can make this technique a reliable tool in your stress management arsenal. Autogenic training is a relaxation technique that involves repeating a series of phrases to yourself that help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. This technique is great for relaxing the body and mind, and it can be practiced almost anywhere. Autogenic means self-generated, and in this context, it refers to creating a feeling of warmth and heaviness throughout the body, which is profoundly relaxing. Let's try it together. Sit comfortably or lie down in a quiet place where you wouldn't be disturbed. Close your eyes to help focus inward. Take a few deep breaths to begin relaxing. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it becomes slower and deeper. Start by focusing on your arms. Repeat to yourself, "My arms are very heavy. I am at peace." Feel your arms becoming heavy and relaxed. Next, say, "My legs are very heavy. I am at peace." Feel the relaxation spread to your legs. Continue with, "My heartbeat is calm and regular. I am at peace." Finally, repeat, "My breathing is calm and regular. I am at peace. Focus on each part of your body in turn and allow it to relax deeply. After you've gone through all the phrases, sit quietly for a few moments, enjoying the deep state of relaxation. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and stretch if needed. Autogenic training is a powerful tool to help manage stress and anxiety. With regular practice, these phrases can become more effective, allowing you to quickly induce relaxation whenever you need it. Try incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, especially during times of high stress. In the heat of a stressful moment, having a personal mantra can be a lifeline. A mantra is a short, powerful phrase that you repeat to yourself to encourage calm and focus. It acts as a mental anchor, pulling your thoughts away from anxiety and stress and guiding them towards peace and stability. Your go-to mantra should be something that speaks to you personally, resonating with your innermost desires for peace and calm. It's a tool that's always with you, requiring no special equipment or environment to use. Examples of effective mantras. For general calm, you can say, "This too shall pass," or "I am calm, I am present." To overcome fear, "I am braver than I believe. Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and move forward." And for managing overwhelm, "I control my breath, I can control my mind." Or, "Step by step, I navigate through this." To create your own mantra, think about the words that might soothe you when you are tense, or words that remind you of your strength and resilience. Your mantra should be easy to remember, positive, and stated in the present tense to affirm its immediate truth. Start using your mantra in everyday situations to build its strength. The more you use it, the more effective it will become, as it grows to be a reflexive tool for calming your mind and shielding you against stress. Managing stress isn't just about reacting when stress levels rise. It's also about building a foundation that helps prevent stress from overwhelming you in the first place. Regular lifestyle adjustments can significantly enhance your resilience to stress, improving your ability to remain calm under pressure. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise not only improves your health, but also releases endorphins, chemicals in your brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Even a quick walk daily can make a substantial difference in managing your stress levels. Ensure you get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for your body to recover from daily stresses and to consolidate memories and process informations. Create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down each night, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Eat a balanced and nutritious diet. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals can boost brain health and improve mood, while sugar and caffeine can exacerbate anxiety and sleep disturbances. Stay hydrated as well. Dehydration can cause stress on your body and affect your performance and mood. Making these lifestyle changes doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, perhaps by swapping out one unhealthy snack for a healthier option, or by adding a 10-minute meditation session to your morning routine. Over time, these positive habits build up, forming a strong foundation that not only helps you manage stress when it arises, but also enhances your overall quality of life. Remember, the key to stress resilience is not just about handling stress better, but also about building a lifestyle that reduces stress naturally. As we wrap up our journey through these powerful techniques, remember that the key to mastering calm in stressful situations lies in regular practice. Whether it's through mindful breathing, visualization, or making positive lifestyle adjustments, integrating these strategies into your daily routine can significantly enhance your ability to remain composed under pressure. Stress is inevitable, but how we handle it can transform our lives. By adopting these practices, you not only manage stress more effectively, but also improve your overall emotional well-being. Now we would love to hear from you. Share your own experiences or any additional techniques that helps you stay calm in the comments below. Your insights are invaluable to our community. Enjoyed this video? Give it a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content designed to help you lead a more balanced and peaceful life. Check out our video on 3 techniques to stop anxiety in minutes for more quick stress relief methods. You will find the link in the description below or in the pop-up at the top right of this video. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Every moment you invest in learning these techniques is a step toward a healthier, more serene life. Keep practicing, stay calm, and remember, you have the power to control your stress, not the other way around. See you in the next video. Much love.